On March 4th, 2026, Microsoft shipped VS Code 1.110, and the headline feature is something I think is going to reshape developer tools for the next decade. They're called agent plugins, and this is essentially NPM for AI agents. What's up? I'm Pedro. Today we're breaking down this game changer. If you follow this channel, you know we've been building neuro-symbolic context systems for a while. Agent plugins are the industry catching up. They are packaging context intelligence into portable, shareable units. This is about moving from tools to institutional knowledge. Looking at the VS Code 1.110 release notes, the agent plugins section stands out as the core shift in the developer experience. So what's an agent plugin? It's a complete AI capability package with four components: skills, MCP servers, hooks, and custom agents. Skills are reusable instructions. MCP servers are the tool integrations, database connectors, and API wrappers the AI needs. Hooks are event-driven triggers that fire on save or commit, and custom agents are full personas with specialized knowledge. Here's the key difference. Extensions extend VS Code. Agent plugins extend Copilot. It's a completely different layer of intelligence. You access the marketplace through Add Agent plugins in Copilot chat. We're already seeing hundreds of community plugins. From Kubernetes agents with kubectl tools to security scanners that hook into every commit. It's all there, ready to install. Installation is one click. The plugin registers its MCP servers, injects skills into your context, and you're running immediately. And these are composable, 20 plugins active at once, and VS Code handles context budgeting, loading only what's relevant. Let's build one. Here's the manifest, agent plugin JSON. This simple file defines the entire intelligence of your plugin. The manifest links your skills, MCP servers, and hooks. It's the blueprint for how your AI agent interacts with your codebase. The skill file is where context engineering shines. You're not just coding, you're sharing institutional knowledge as context. Now, anyone with the plugin gets your architecture rules baked into Copilot. You're sharing knowledge as distributable context. Before NPM, sharing JavaScript was a nightmare. NPM standardized it and JS exploded. Agent plugins do the same for AI. Package it, version it, publish it. Once there are 10,000 plugins, VS Code becomes an AI agent runtime, not just an IDE. The future isn't one super intelligent model. It's composable, modular AI capabilities orchestrated through context engineering. Agent plugins are the standardization of distribution. Context engineering is now industry infrastructure. This is the future. If you lead a team, think about your institutional knowledge as distributable context. Subscribe for weekly deep dives. If you build a plugin, drop the link in the comments. I want to see it. See you in the next one. System shutting down.